Living organisms are different from non-living matter. There are some distinct features that separate living organisms from non-living matter. These distinct features are growth, reproduction, movement and locomotion, excretion, sensitivity, cellular organization, and metabolism. Out of these seven characteristics, the last three, sensitivity, cellular organization, and metabolism, are called the defining features of living organisms. The defining features means the distinct characters that confirm the presence of life. Let us discuss these characteristics. Growth. So in biology, growth refers to increase in size. Growth occurs through cell division. Cell division takes place inside the body, so growth is called intrinsic growth. The growth is not observed in unicellular organisms. So that means the growth is exhibited or exclusively exhibited by the multicellular organisms only. So it is not the defining characters of the living body. Next, the reproduction. Reproduction is the process of giving birth to the offspring, or it is the process of self-replication. There are two types of reproduction: sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. In case of sexual reproduction, union of male and female gametes leads to the formation of zygote, and zygote develops into new organism. Asexual reproduction takes place through formation of spore, budding, regeneration, etc. The asexual reproduction is achieved by cell division, which is responsible for growth in multicellular organisms. So next, movement and locomotion. Movement is a characteristic feature of living organism. A living organism moves its body parts by itself. Locomotion is changing in position. Movement of body parts leading to change in position is called locomotion. A non-living object may move or change in position. However, it is not living because it cannot move by itself. Movement is not considered as defining character of living organisms because non-living things also show movements and locomotion. So next point is excretion. Excretion is defined as elimination of unwanted or waste material from the body. In higher organisms, special excretory organs develops to form the function of excretion. For example, kidney. In plants, excretion of waste such as water, oxygen is carried out by the stomata of leaves. In unicellular organisms such as amoeba, a vacuole containing waste material is formed to eliminate waste from the cell. The next is the sensitivity and the consciousness. Sensitivity is the ability to sense the change in the environment, or the consciousness is the state of sensitivity. So living organisms have sense, means living organism can perceive the change in the environment. The changing environment is called the stimuli, like the temperature, light, water, and presence of predators, etc. In case of higher organisms, living organisms develop sense organs, and again, the responding to the environment or the stimuli is also the characteristics of the living organism. So this kind of characteristics is not exhibited by the non-living one. So the consciousness or the sensitivity is the defining character of living body. Next point is cellular organization. Cell is the fundamental unit of life, and a cell can live on its own. The functions of all the living organisms are programmed within the cell. Cell has different components to perform different functions to sustain life. These components are cell membrane, nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, mitochondria, lysosome, etc. They are all organized to form a cell. This kind of cellular organization is not exhibited by any non-living matter, and cellular organization is therefore called the defining feature of living organism. The last point is metabolism. Living organism needs food for survival. Food inside the body is broken down into small molecules, and then these molecules are used to build new molecules and also used as source of energy. This entire process of breakdown of food into small molecules and building new molecules out of these small molecules is called the metabolism. The metabolism is a vital process exclusively shown by the living organism. So metabolism is the defining feature of living organisms.